Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have been tagged in some photos on Facebook and they are now showing up in your profile and you want to delete them and basically untag yourself from those posts or photos. Then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end, then let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Facebook app, we need to head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for Facebook from there. Once you find it, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After the update, you can quit the store. Now let's go ahead and open Facebook and make sure you're logged in. Now find the post or the picture that you have been tagged on. You can do that by tapping here in the top right on the notification icon and find it in your notifications if the tag is recent. If it is an old tag, you can head out to your profile. So tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture. This will take you to the menu. To open the profile, just tap on your name right here. Now, since we are in your profile, we need to tap on the three dots right next to edit name right there. From the screen, choose manage posts right here. You find all the posts that you have ever posted on your profile. Now you can tap on filters in the top left corner to find the tagged ones. Just turn on this toggle next to tagged posts and then tap on done in the bottom right corner. And these are the posts that have been tagged in on Facebook. To remove any, just tap on it to select it. You get these buttons in the bottom, tap on them, and you get the option to remove tag just like that. Tap on it, and then confirm by tapping remove tag. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then from here you can tap on not now. I'm just gonna skip this step, and just like that I have removed the tag from my profile successfully. You can do that by even selecting multiple posts and then tap again on the buttons in the bottom and tap on remove tags. And that is basically how can you delete the tagged posts from your profile in a very easy way. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.